Most people find out they spent too much the same way they find out their phone died, when it is already too late. You open your bank app at the end of the month, and the number shocks you, and you have no idea where it all went. That is not a money problem. That is a timing problem. And there is one 2-minute habit that fixes this. Before the money even leaves your hands, look, most people only check their money after it is already gone. That is like reading about a car crash after it already happened. This habit is different. This is about deciding before you spend, not after, and that one small change fixes everything. Because here is the truth. Most people do not lose money on big things. They lose it on small things. Every single day. Things they never planned for. And by the end of this video, you will have a simple 2-minute system that stops that from happening. You can start it today, not next week, today. And at the end, I am going to show you one simple thing that makes this habit actually stick, even if you have tried budgeting before and always quit. Here is the habit. Every morning, before you check your phone, before you open any app, you take 2 minutes, and you give every dollar a job before it moves. That is it. 2 minutes. One job per dollar. You look at what money you have coming in, and you decide where every single dollar goes before you spend anything. Rent gets some, food gets some, savings gets some, even fun money gets some. Nothing is left without a plan. This is called a zero-based budget. It sounds fancy, it is not. It just means every dollar has a place to go before it leaves. And here is why this works when other budgets fail. Most people make a budget once a month and forget it in 3 days. This habit is 2 minutes every morning. Small enough that your brain does not fight it, but strong enough that over time, it changes how you think about money completely. But knowing your plan is only half of it. Here is what happens when something unplanned shows up and tries to break your system. This is where most people fall apart. Something comes up. A sale. A craving. Something that feels like a good idea in the moment. And with no plan, the money just goes. But when you did your 2 minutes that morning, your brain works differently. You already know where every dollar is going. So when something unplanned shows up, you are not guessing. You are deciding. And deciding feels very different from guessing. Scientists have a name for this. They call it implementation intention. It means when you make a plan before something happens, you follow through much more than when you try to decide in the moment. You are not using willpower, the decision is already made. That is the real power here. It is not about saying no to things. It is about never being caught without a plan. But there is one more step most people completely skip. And it is the reason their money still leaks even when they budget. Giving your dollars a job is not enough if you never check if they actually went there. So every evening, just 30 seconds, you ask yourself one question. Did my money go where I told it to go today? That is the whole check. No big review, no spreadsheet. Just one honest question. If yes, you build a streak, and streaks change who you are. You stop being someone who tries to budget. You become someone who does it. If no problem, you fix it tomorrow morning. No guilt, no starting over. Just a small correction. That 30-second check at night is what turns one good day into a real 30-day system. And 30 days is where cash flow actually starts to move. Now I promised you something at the start. The one thing that makes this whole habit stick, even if every budget you ever tried before completely fell apart. Here it is. Do not do this in your head. Write it down somewhere you will see it. Your notes app, a piece of paper, anything. When you write your plan down, even on your phone, you are making a promise to your future self. And that promise is much harder to break than a thought inside your head. Research shows people who write their plan down follow through much more than people who only think about it. 2 minutes. Written. Every morning. That is the full habit. When you add this to what you learned in the last video, you are not just watching your money anymore. You are leading it. You are telling it where to go before it has a chance to disappear. And that is the real difference between people who always wonder where their money went and people who are slowly and quietly building real cash flow every single day. But here is something I have not told you yet. This habit stops the leaks. But stopping leaks is only the first step. Because once your money stops disappearing, you need to know exactly where to send it so it actually starts to grow. And that is exactly what the next video in this series covers. Hit subscribe so you do not miss it when it drops. I will see you there.